Hi guys, my name is OHEMAA Bonsu, part of the Sephora squad, and I'm so excited to share with you the Sephora gift sets. So this holiday season, to take the guessing out of what to get my family, I am gonna go ahead and buy some Sephora gift sets because Sephora has gift sets that cover skincare, hair, fragrance, and of course, makeup. I'll be gifting the Let It Glow set to my mom because she's so into skincare and she likes trying new products, and I feel like these are the perfect size products to get for her to be able to see if she likes a brand and if she wants to purchase the full-size versions of these. I'm absolutely excited that the Let It Glow set has this sleeping mask in it, and you can actually put this on, let it dry, and go to bed, and you wake up in the morning with beautifully moisturized skin. There are also fragrance sets, and this fragrance set is the replica fragrance set. It's a perfect gift for anybody and everybody because it has 5 different options that you can choose from, and you have like different options for different days. Perfect gift. All the gift sets are available at Sephora and at Sephora.com. They have several different options, so it will be so easy to gift to all your loved ones. So there you have it. Easy gifting options for your family this holiday season. It's a no-brainer. I'm going to Sephora and I'm getting some gift sets. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.